Good evening, listeners. This is Rashmi Narse Zosalkar welcoming you on this special International Day program. Every year on June 21st, people across the globe come together to celebrate the ancient practice of yoga, a discipline that promotes physical health, mental well being, and inner harmony. Recognized by the United Nations, International Yoga Day highlights the importance of adopting a balanced lifestyle and embracing holistic wellness. Today, we are delighted to have with us Dr. Mrudul Chitrakar, Professor and HOD of Swastha Vritta Department at All India Institute of Ayurveda, Goa, a distinguished yoga expert and wellness practitioner who will share valuable insight on the significance of yoga in our daily lives, its health benefits, and how people of all ages can incorporate simple yogic practices into their routines. Welcome to the program, Doctor. Thank you for joining us on this special occasion.
Thank you very much for having me here.
So, Doctor, my first question to you is that International Yoga Day has become a global movement. How do you view the growing acceptance of yoga in India and across the world over the last decade?
Yoga has evolved from being an ancient Indian tradition into a global movement for the health and wellness. The remarkable international recognition and acceptance of yoga have been greatly strengthened by the visionary leadership and persistent efforts by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, whose proposal at the United Nations led to the declaration of 21st June as the International Yoga Day in 2014. Since then, millions of people from across more than 190 countries have participated in Yoga Day celebrations every year, embracing yoga as a way of life. This widespread acceptance reflects the universal relevance of yoga in promoting physical fitness, mental well being, emotional balance, and harmony with nature.
Okay. The Government of India has consistently promoted yoga as a tool for preventive health care. How has this approach helped improve public awareness about health and wellness?
The government's emphasis on yoga has shifted the focus from disease management to disease prevention. Through initiatives such as International Yoga Day, Fit India Movement, and yoga certification programs, people have become more aware of healthy lifestyles, stress management, and self care practices, resulting in greater public participation in preventive healthcare.
Doctor, as an expert from the All India Institute of Ayurveda, Goa, how do you see the relationship between yoga and Ayurveda in maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well being?
From the perspective of Ayurveda, yoga and Ayurveda are like two sides of the same coin. Ayurveda provides the science of healthy living by guiding us on diet, lifestyle, daily routines, seasonal regimens, and maintenance of the balance of doshas, while yoga offers practical tools to achieve harmony of the mind, body, and consciousness through asanas, pranayam, meditation, and ethical living. If Ayurveda teaches us how to live in harmony with nature, yoga teaches us to live in harmony with ourselves. Together, they form a complete system of holistic health and wellness.
What are the key health benefits of practicing yoga regularly, particularly in preventing lifestyle related diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and stress disorders?
Regular yoga practices improves flexibility, strength, cardiovascular health, respiratory efficiency, and mental resilience. Scientific studies have shown that yoga helps in managing diabetes, hypertension, obesity, anxiety, depression, and stress related disorders by improving metabolism, reducing inflammation, and enhancing overall life quality.
Dr. Taylor's like Goa is known for its vibrant lifestyle and tourism sector. How can yoga contribute to building a healthier and more wellness conscious society in the state?
Goa is globally recognized for its vibrant culture, natural beauty, and thriving tourism sector. The government of Goa has been actively promoting wellness and sustainable tourism, creating an excellent opportunity to position the state as a premier destination for yoga and Ayurveda. By integrating yoga into tourism activities, beach wellness programs, wellness retreats, educational institutions, workplaces, and community initiatives, Goa can promote healthier lifestyle among residents while offering a unique wellness experience to visitors. Every year, there are thousands of domestic and international tourists who visit Goa for seeking relaxation and holistic well being. Yoga and Ayurveda can serve as powerful ambassadors of India's traditional knowledge system, providing foreign travelers with authentic experience that extend beyond the conventional tourism. Such initiatives what was not only to enhance the preventive healthcare and wellness awareness but also strengthen Goa's reputation as a global wellness destination, contributing to the worldwide promotion of yoga and Ayurveda while supporting the state's economic and public health goals.
International Yoga Day is celebrated with the theme of holistic health. How does yoga complement modern medicine and contribute to an integrated healthcare approach?
Yoga complements modern medicine by supporting prevention, rehabilitation, and long term management of chronic diseases. It improves physical and mental outcomes while reducing stress and enhancing treatment compliance. An integrated approach combining yoga, Ayurveda, and modern medicine can provide comprehensive patient centered care.
How is the All India Institute of Ayurveda Goa promoting yoga education, awareness, and community outreach among different sections of the society, Doctor?
All India Institute of Ayurveda Goa conducts regular yoga classes, awareness campaigns, health camps, common yoga protocol sessions, community outreach programs, research activities, beach yoga campaigns, and training workshops. We actively engage students, healthcare professionals, patients, and the community to promote yoga as a way of life.
Mhm. Mental health concerns are increasing across all age groups. What role can yoga play in managing stress, anxiety, depression, and improving overall mental well being?
Yoga helps regulate the nervous system, improves emotional balance, and promotes relaxation. Practices such as pranayam, meditation, and yoga nidra reduce stress hormones and improve sleep quality, which enhances the concentration and supports emotional well being, making yoga an efficient tool for mental health promotion.
Doctor, how can young people, students, and working professionals incorporate yoga into their daily routines despite busy schedules?
One of the biggest misconceptions is that yoga requires a lot of time. In reality, even 15 to 20 minutes of daily yoga practice can provide significant health benefits. Students can begin their day with a few rounds of Surya Namaskar, simple stretching exercises, and breathing practices to improve concentration, memory, and emotional balance. Working professionals, on the other hand, can incorporate short yoga breaks, desk stretches, and mindfulness practices during the workday to reduce stress and improve productivity. The Ministry of Ayush's Y Break, which is Yoga Break at Workplace initiative, is an excellent example of how just 5 minutes of yoga during work hours can help reduce stress and enhance efficiency. We all make time for our mobile phones every day. If we dedicate just 20 minutes to yoga, it can transform our health, productivity, and the quality of our life.
Research on yoga has expanded significantly in recent years. What scientific evidences support yoga effectiveness in improving health outcomes?
Research on yoga has expanded significantly in recent years, and today its benefits are supported by strong scientific evidence. Studies published in leading journals such as The Lancet, JAMA, which is Journal of the American Medical Association, and Mayo Clinic Proceedings have shown that regular yoga practice can help reduce blood pressure, improve diabetes control, manage stress and anxiety, and enhance sleep quality. Modern research also indicates that yoga supports mental well being, immunity, cardiovascular health, and healthy aging, making it an effective tool for preventive and integrative healthcare.
The government has emphasized preventive healthcare through initiatives such as Fit India and Yoga Day celebrations. How has these initiatives influenced public attitudes toward fitness and wellness?
These initiatives have made fitness and wellness a public movement. They have increased awareness, encouraged participants among all age groups, and motivated people to adopt healthier lifestyles. Yoga has become more accessible and socially accepted as a practical tool for daily health management.
What role can yoga play in healthy aging and improving the quality of life of senior citizens?
The theme of International Day of Yoga 2026, which is Yoga for Healthy Aging, highlights the important role yoga can play in helping senior citizens remain healthy, active, and independent. Regular yoga practice improves flexibility, balance, muscle strength, breathing capacity, and joint mobility, thereby reducing the risk of falls and age related health problems. By promoting physical fitness and social engagement, yoga helps senior citizens enjoy a better quality of life and age gracefully with dignity and vitality. Yoga adds not only years to life but also life to years.
Doctor, how can yoga and Ayurveda together contribute to strengthening immunity and promoting overall wellness?
Yoga emphasizes balanced nutrition, healthy lifestyle, and proper daily routines, while yoga enhances physical fitness, stress resilience, and mind body balance. Together, they support immune function, improve vitality, and promote overall wellness.
So, Doctor, tell us like Goa has significant potential for wellness tourism. How can yoga based wellness program help diversify the state's tourism offerings?
Yoga retreats, Ayurveda wellness packages, beach yoga sessions, meditation programs, and holistic health camps can attract domestic as well as international tourists seeking wellness experiences. This can diversify tourism and contribute to sustainable economic growth of our country as well as the state.
So, what opportunities are emerging for students, researchers, therapists, and healthcare professionals in the field of yoga and Ayurveda, doctor?
The emerging demand of yoga and Ayurveda has created opportunities in education, research, wellness tourism, clinical practice, public health, corporate wellness, rehabilitation, and digital health services altogether. Evidence based practice are emerging areas of great potential.
How is technology helping spread awareness and accessibility of yoga through online training, digital platform, and telehealth initiatives?
Technology has significantly expanded the reach and accessibility of yoga across the globe. Digital platforms, mobile applications, online training programs, wearable devices, and telehealth services have enabled people to learn and practice yoga regardless of their locations. Virtual classes, live streamed yoga sessions, and online certification programs have made yoga more accessible than ever before. Artificial intelligence is the further transforming field by providing personalized yoga recommendations based on the individual's age, health status, fitness level, and wellness goals. AI powered applications can analyze posture alignment, monitor practice patterns, provide real time feedbacks, and suggest customized yoga and lifestyle interventions.
What are some common misconceptions about yoga that people should be aware of?
Many people believe yoga is only physical exercise or that it is suitable for only flexible individuals. In reality, yoga is a holistic discipline that includes physical postures, breathing techniques, meditation, and lifestyle practices. It can be adapted for people of all ages and abilities.
For beginners who want to start practicing yoga, what simple steps and precaution would you recommend, doctor?
For beginners, the most important advice is to start slowly and practice regularly. Begin with simple stretching exercises, basic yoga postures, breathing practices, pranayam, and a few minutes of meditation under the guidance of qualified instructor of yoga. Even 15 to 20 minutes of daily practice can provide significant health benefits. It is advisable to practice on an empty stomach, wear comfortable clothing, and avoid overexertion. The key is consistency. Practice according to your capacity and enjoy the journey towards better health and well being.
Looking ahead, how do you see the role of yoga evolving in India's vision of a healthier and more wellness oriented society?
Looking ahead, yoga is expected to play a central role in India's vision of a healthier, happier, and more self reliant society. As a burden of lifestyle diseases, mental health challenges, and age related disorders continues to rise. Yoga offers a safe, cost effective, and evidence based approach to preventive health care. Yoga is not merely an exercise, it is a way of life that can contribute significantly to building a happier and wellness oriented nation. The future of healthcare lies not only in treating disease, but in preventing it. And yoga will be one of the strongest pillars of the preventive healthcare movement.
So, finally, Doctor, on the occasion of International Yoga Day, what message would you like to give to the people of Goa about adopting yoga as a part of their daily lives?
On the occasion of International Yoga Day 2026, I would like to encourage the people of Goa to embrace yoga as a part of their daily lives. Goa is blessed with a beautiful natural environment and a rich culture that aligns perfectly with the principle of holistic living. Let us make yoga a people's movement and work together towards the vision of a healthier Goa and a healthier India. On this year's theme, Yoga for Healthy Aging, I invite people of all age groups, from children to senior citizens, to experience the transformative benefits of yoga and make it a lifelong habit. Dhanyavad.
So, as we celebrate International Yoga Day, let us remember that yoga is more than a form of exercise. It is a way of cultivating balance, mindfulness, and well being in our daily lives. Whether practiced for a few minutes or as a lifelong discipline, yoga has the power to connect us with ourselves and with one another. On this special day, I encourage everyone to take a moment to breathe, stretch, and embrace the spirit of harmony that yoga inspires. Thank you for listening and wishing you all a healthy, peaceful, and a happy International Yoga Day.